Ooh.
He deserves a pay raise. Number 2 team in like 2 years? Dang on. All you gotta do is get a first down. Don't do nothing stupid. Get it! Yes!
Yeah.
Another big one for the Nashville guy. Okay. That's it. That's game. That's game. That's game.
Oh. Oh.
Look at that. Just perfect. Can't get no better than that. Mendoza's going to win the Heisman. Yep. Pack it up.
Screw you, Ohio State.
It's the suck guys going down. Oh, poor little thing.
2 minutes.
2 minute warning. 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 2 minutes left. Warning. Warning. Yeah. But that's just me being happy right there.
Why?
Because I want the suck guys to go down.
Are you sure?
Revenge is sweet.
Are you sure?
Revenge is sweet.
Why?
Yeah.
Papa? I don't think you've heard. We have Titanic's whistle. RMS Titanic. Great Titanics.
Those crackers are amazing.
RMS. I don't think you've heard Mauritania's whistles. RMS. When did you first hear RMS Queen Elizabeth's whistle?
CBS documentary back in the 60s.
Well, you did?
Yeah.
Have you heard USS Texas whistle? At least. Documentary on that. MS Wonder of the Seas, probably?
Another liner whose funnel wears the familiar colors of Cunard is the famous Caronia. The Caronia
that you haven't heard.
Time Nation.
Raphael Low Angelo
Take a look. As low as $22 a month for car insurance. Your insurance company doesn't want you to see.
Get out. RMS Papa?
Yeah.
Well, they shouldn't have freaking broken arrowed that mug.
Papa? Here are the three sister cruise ships. Oasis, Aller, Harmony.
They freaking broke.
Ours is just like that.
Oasis of the Seas. Constitution. KMS Bismarck.
That's it. They're just gonna have a Hail Mary and that's it. No way they can
Ah.
They turn it over?
Yeah, they can get a first down. I think that. Well, they only got 18 seconds left anyway. I don't see Ohio State doing anything with it. Yeah, they got their prevent defense out there now. This is it.
Here we go. Look at the throw going.
Nope. All the way down.
Up. Indiana got it.
I can't help it if I'm popping, see them watching. It's outrageous how this flavor.
Wait, Supersonic, The Great Adventure, came out in 2022. Train Horn versus Cruise. Disney versus Carnival. Ow!
Man, that must have been a lot of time to construct it.
The only way to get
massive
from
bridge.
Manhattan to the island before the bridge was built was right there.
And how far is Harry right with that?
30 minutes. City skyline to see as you're leaving it. It's just fantastic.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah.
He's gonna be the MVP. He had 126 yards in this game. That was a season high for him. He should be the MVP. If he don't get the MVP, he's robbed. The suckers, the Alisucka goes down in one day. You love to see it.
Papa,
You love to see it.
have you seen this?
The heat on this planet is unbearable. Oh, Viva!
It's gonna cost $1 trillion. I told you.
My gracious.
No.
The estimated cost to build the Titanic II is around $500 million, although some estimates go as high as $1 billion. This covers recreating the ship with modern safety features, aiming for a 2027 launch.
They have to wait that long?
It takes 2 years to build.
Are you sure?
No, they just put it on there because they got paid to do so.
Why?
Find out when they laid the keel.
What? What?
Find out when they laid the keel on the new Titanic.
Laid the kill?
Yeah, that's the real.
Keel, the bottommost part of the ship.
K-E-A-L. K-E-E-L. That's when they start building. They build it from the bottom up. K-E-E-L.
K-W-E-L?
E-E-L. K-E-E-L.
K-E-E-L.
Jupiter and the moon look spectacular up there. You didn't see it? The Geminis are next weekend. I reminded him. Noah, listen. Tell him what you gotta do Saturday and Sunday. Tell him what we got coming up next week. What's Saturday and Sunday?
Wait, what is on Saturday?
Told you that last night.
The train show?
And?
The parade?
Yes.
So the train show is on the... Oh.
The 13th.
So Papa, the train show's on the 13th, and the parade's on the 14th. Papa. He heard me. Laid.
And I told him he's got to be up at 7 to 8 a.m.
What in the world is it?
A kill.
2014. They've been building that ship since
2014. Daddy.
I've been working on that for 11 years.
God.
As of late 2025, the year 2014 is 11 years old. This is calculated by subtracting the year from the current year.
Well, 2014 is 2,015 years
From
old.
2014 to 2025 is an 11-year period. It saw inflation, economic changes in generations. The Ohio State University is 155 years old as of 2025. It was founded in 1870, originally as the Ohio Agricultural and Mechanical College, and became the Ohio State University in 1878.
1873, did not.
The University of Tennessee, home of the Volunteers, is over 230 years old. It was founded in 1794, originally as Blount College. Indiana became a state on December 11, 1816, making it over 208 years old. It was the 19th state to join the United States, and this date is celebrated annually.
So Indiana's birthday is coming up.
The name Tony Victiti might be a misspelling. It could be Tony Petit. The current commissioner of the Big Ten Conference is Tony Petitti. He took the position in May of 2023 after previously working in MLB and TV.
They put on the red jerseys.
They're Indiana. Papa.
Yeah, but they wore white jerseys in the game.
I know that.
Why are they putting on red jerseys? I want to know.
2025 minus 1,956 is 69.
Yes, sir.
Woo! And Indiana goes 13-0.
Undefeated. Regular season champs.
Who are they going to face in the playoffs?
I don't know. It's up to the
We'll start on Saturday.
You're kidding me.
What?
They didn't give the receiver the MVP?
Bruh.
That is highway freaking robbery, bro. Charlie Baker, man, should have been an MVP.
Yes!
The Titanic is over 113 years old, having been launched in 1911 and sinking in 1912.
The Heisman Trophy.
Bruh.
He's going to be the new Heisman Trophy winner. Hey,
Let's go, Indiana.
I'll be rooting for him the whole way.
Hi.
That's his brother.
Are you sure?
That was his brother.
Fernando Mendoza? Or
Transferred from Cal.
he's 22 years.
He's only 22 years old.
Yep. Born on October 1st, 2003.
That sounds right.
Education: Indiana University, Bloomington University of California, Berkeley.
Yep. So he got his degree at Cal and then transferred.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought, because he was at Cal first.
What's new? Indiana defeats Ohio State 13-0 in Big Ten Championship. 2. Mendoza projected as top 5 pick in 2026 NFL Draft. 3. Mendoza ranked as a top quarterback prospect for 2026 NFL Draft.
Yeah, he's a senior. He has a lot of eligibility.
Stranger Things Season 5 takes place in late 1987, about 18 months after Season 4. The main characters, who were in their mid-teens, will now be in their late teens, but the show will still focus on their high school years.
How?
You know what tomorrow is?
What?
What's the anniversary of it?
Pearl Harbor!
Yeah?
No, there won't be a Stranger Things Season 6. Season 5 is the final season, wrapping up the main story, and it's expected to be released in late 2025 or early 2026. However, the Stranger Things universe will continue with spin-offs.
Like an animated series.
What the heck is Stranger Things?
It's a movie that came from 2016.
No, he's not going to know anything about that.
What is it about?
It's
Stranger
about
Things
four.
premiered in 2016, so it's almost 9 years old. The show will end with its 5th season in late 2025, although the characters, who start at 12, will be around 17 by the final season.
While the actors have grown into their 20s. So, Papa, the first season came out on July 15th, 2016, and it's gonna be diving.
Personal computers did not exist. In theaters, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Kurt Signetti was 6. That was in 1967.
What?
What was in 67?
No personal computers existed. The biggest movie in theaters then was the good, the bad, and the ugly. And
1966. Jeez, 1966? Bruh.
third Big Ten title in program history. 1945, 67. I don't know
1945 marked the end of World War II. Nazi Germany surrendered in May, and Japan followed in August after atomic bombings. This led to global rebuilding, the creation of the United Nations, and the beginning of the Cold War. The Oasis of the Seas, which debuted in December 2009, will be about 15 years old by the end of 2025.
Is there any ice cream left?
No, you gotta eat it all.
Second straight season wins Big Ten title. Big Ten Coach of the Year.
You're annoying the piss out of me.
Oh, look who's talking.
Ice cream.
Ice beam.
So says annoying Noah.
Hello, girlie. You deserve that. Oh, we got a tie game. Virginia just tied it with Duke, 20-20. Chill out.
The attack on Pearl Harbor occurred on Sunday, December 7th, 1941. It began at 7:55 in the morning, local time, when Japan launched a surprise air raid. The attack on U.S. military facilities lasted for over an hour and resulted in over 2,400 American deaths, leading to the U.S. entering World War II.
Bixby. You butt stick.
33 passing touchdowns this season. That's an Indiana record. Fernando Mendoza set.
I'm gonna miss you. It still has its name on it. I'm shocked.
Yeah, they were doing much better than they were.
Faded Glory, the story of the USS, of the SS United States.
The SS United States, launched in 1952, is approximately 73 years old as of late 2025. It once held the record for the fastest transatlantic crossing, and is now being considered for use as the world's largest artificial reef.
SS United States is 73 years old. Ain't that old for a liner? Ain't fresh. Screw it. Oh! You've been doing that to me all day. Where's the spoon?
A horse squeal is a loud, high-pitched sound, like a shrill cry. It often shows anger, annoyance, or a warning, for example. When meeting another horse or reacting to pain, it's a signal to stay back.
Look at that car, Dad.
Ah!
Yeah, we still gotta let him watch it. Dad, he's gotta watch it. He's gotta watch my block. My set.
The first iPad is over 15 years old. It was first announced in 2010 and released in the US in April of that year, launching Apple's successful tablet line.
Oh, their win streak got snapped. 16 wins. That's it. So bad, too bad, suckers.
Horses usually live between 25 and 30 years, but some can live into their 30s or even their 40s with good care. The oldest recorded horse lived to be 62. Their age is estimated by tooth wear.
Tooth wear? Huh?
The Oasis of the Seas, which first sailed in December 2009, will be about 16 years old by late 2025. It was the first of its massive class of ships and has had significant updates. The Icon of the Seas, which is the world's largest cruise ship, is very new. It began service in January 2024, so it's less than 2 years old, and will celebrate its first anniversary in early 2025.
It's tied up. Still 20 to 20. Duke has the ball. You better just call them the suck guys now because they suck.
We know that. Icon of the Seas is 1,198 feet long, 250,800 gross tons, 882.9 feet long, 46,328 gross tons for the Titanic.
The Icon of the Seas first sounded her horn in July 2023 during sea trials at the Meyer Turku shipyard in Finland. This was before her debut in January 2024, and it was to test the ship's systems.
I got the viral boneless couch because I needed a new couch and I didn't want to pay a few $1,000s, and I was curious to see if it's as good as everyone's.
How about?
It says burp.
Stop!
What?
That says burpee?
No! Okay, y'all.
Hands down, he wins.
Okay, y'all. Good night, good morning, and have a great time. Excuse you.